Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Muhammad Abdullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we cover clone stamp tool in Photoshop. In last video we used many tools. So today we use and we learn how you can use and what uses of clone stamp tool in Photoshop. You can easily clone things with this tool. Let's start the video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest amazing videos. Let's jump to the PC screen. Now first of all open the Photoshop. I am using Photoshop 2021 version. And now click on create new and choose your size. Click on create and you can see here this is the clone stamp tool. You can easily understand through this video. Okay, click on this and right click and select your size. Now import a picture. Now you can see the strawberry. Click on this lock button and right click and adjust your size for your requirements. Okay, press alt and choose. Press alt and choose the strawberry. Now click here and like this. You can easily clone an item through this tool. Just like that. If you need a strawberry here, then choose and paste it here. You can clone things through this app. Let's take another example. I have another picture here. If you need to clone this orange, set the size here. Choose this and now paste it here. Just like that. Choose this and paste here. No fake work, it's real work. You can easily clone your items with this clone app. This is an example. Give me few seconds to fill this background with orange. Just like this. Another here. Another one is here. Not here, here. So you can easily clone things with this tool, and it's a fifth part of our video. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel if you like the video, and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing videos. Goodbye.